All right, everybody, we got a Schindler 330A elevator. We're here at 2804 Orchard Lake Road in Keego Harbor, Michigan. Let's take a ride on the elevator. Here we go. Schindler HT. Take a look at the interlock date, 11/05, so that would be November of 2005. It's a Hollis hydraulic 330A, as seen by the door frame. Let's go down to the lower level. Here we are at the lower level, Center Point. That must be the name of the building. And there's the machine room right there. And now we'll take a ride up to 2. Here we are at the second floor. Door closes does not work, as we know on Schindler. Let's go back down to the lower level. Watch the arrow go out. All right, we've been called. Let's see where we go. Go down to LL. Go down.
Oh. I thought there was somebody behind us out there.
You guys going to LL or 1?
LL.
LL, okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Taking a video of the elevator because I like the way they work.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding. I do this, a bunch of my friends and I, we do love the way elevators work, and we take videos of the way they work.
It doesn't show you anything.
I guess we better not say anything stupid, huh? Like plus us.
Well, I won't judge.
Okay. You should actually time it. It takes so long.
I know. It's horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Alright, let's take a look at the fixtures real quick. HT, COP. All right, and that will be it.